Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bien. These are all dried banana leaves. And I have dried banana leaves and I have a ton of dried guadua leaves. So I've been using that as mulch on all my plants because I've been reading a lot about permaculture and how to heal the soil. The best way to heal the soil is to keep it covered and to give it what it needs. So I've been drying these banana leaves. As well, I'm learning to work with banana stalks in parts of the fibrous part. So yesterday I built I have these crates that I want to plant in, and previously the previous owner he left them basically, and there was plastic in them. So one of them I just threw some plastic in. I just used it, I emptied it, used the plastic and put soil in it, but I realized I don't really want to use plastic. So I made a banana, I'll show you a banana, kind of weaving around it to protect so the soil doesn't fall out. Plus it'll break down, the bananas will slowly work down and give my plants more composting. And then I took a bunch of the leaves here and I'm mulching I'm trying to heal the soil because the soil here is great. But it's not great for everything, and it needs a lot of work because I also was reading if you live in tropical or subtropical climates, you need to keep feeding the soil to keep it healthy. So as one of the things that I have done is I make something called swamp water. Basically I just shove every weed, everything that I can possibly, leftover bananas, some compost, some food scraps, into a big bucket. I put it into here, and then this makes this nasty stinky water. Then I put it, once it's really stinky, I use it on my plants. So that is what I'm doing today. So these are I think I'm getting root rot, and I need to buy some lime for more calcium because I don't think my eggshells are giving my plants enough calcium. This part of the hill is very steep, so what we're gonna do is this is a bunch of blackberries and plantains, and I'm going to move them to a better spot for the plantains. I think they'll do better somewhere else here, so we're gonna build a little trellis for the maracuja.